Have you ever wondered how wallabies survive in Australia's diverse landscapes? Picture this, small to mid-sized macropods hopping around, nibbling on grass. These are wallabies, fascinating creatures native to Australia and New Guinea. But don't be fooled, wallabies are not a one-size-fits-all species. They are a diverse group, each uniquely adapted to their own lifestyle, whether that be in the mountainous terrain or the arid outback. You might be asking, so how do these fascinating creatures thrive in various habitats? Well, let's unravel the mystery. Wallabies inhabit a broad range of habitats. From the leafy bushlands to the dense rainforests and even the rocky terrains, you'll find these agile creatures making themselves at home. Now you might be wondering, how do they manage to do this? Well, it all comes down to their physical adaptations. Let's start with their strong hind legs. These are not just for show, they serve a crucial role. In the bushlands, they enable quick, bounding movements, allowing wallabies to gracefully navigate through the undergrowth. In contrast, within the rocky terrains, these legs act as powerful springs, propelling the wallabies up steep slopes with ease. Next, we have their large feet. These provide stability on uneven ground, making wallabies natural climbers. Whether it's a rocky outcrop in the outback or the uneven forest floor, their feet ensure they always have a firm grip. And let's not forget about their powerful tails. They serve as a counterbalance during movement and a prop when sitting or standing upright to feed on vegetation. Speaking of feeding, their diet plays a significant role in their habitat choice. Wallabies are herbivores, feasting primarily on a smorgasbord of grasses and plants. This preference for plant-based meals means they gravitate towards habitats rich in these food sources, from lush rainforests to grassy plains. So there you have it, the wallaby, a master of adaptation. Their physical adaptations and diet preferences enable them to thrive across a range of environments. Wallabies lead both solitary and social lives. This intriguing trait varies among wallaby species. Some prefer to navigate the Australian landscapes alone, while others opt for the companionship of a group, known as a mob. But regardless of their social preferences, all wallabies share a unique reproductive system. As marsupials, wallabies carry their young in pouches, a trait they share with their kangaroo cousins. A wallaby's gestation period is typically a month, after which the tiny, underdeveloped joey embarks on a remarkable journey, crawling from the birth canal into its mother's pouch. This pouch then becomes its home for the next 7 to 10 months, providing safety and nourishment as the joey matures. Even after leaving the pouch, young wallabies often return for comfort and protection, until they are fully equipped to face the world on their own. Whether living alone or in a mob, wallabies exhibit fascinating social and reproductive behaviors. Like many other wildlife species, wallabies face threats. Among these are habitat loss due to urban development and agriculture, predation by invasive species, and the effects of climate change. The once vast and diverse landscapes wallabies inhabited are shrinking, while predators introduced to Australia pose significant threats to their survival. Furthermore, shifts in weather patterns due to climate change bring about unpredictable challenges. Unusual temperature spikes, droughts, and wildfires can drastically alter their habitats and food availability. Despite these threats, there's hope. Conservation efforts across Australia are working tirelessly to protect these unique creatures and their habitats. From establishing protective reserves to implementing predator control programs and habitat restoration initiatives, these actions are critical to the survival of wallabies. Education and awareness are also key. By understanding the challenges wallabies face, we can better appreciate their resilience and the need to protect them. Every effort to safeguard their environment helps ensure the survival of these agile herbivores,